In this video, I'll show you how you can get the best SEO result using Dynamic Ajax Product Filters for WooCommerce. As you know, we have three kinds of URL-based filter. The first one is with query string, and the second one is with permalink, and the last one is with Ajax. And for best SEO result, we need to go with query string and with permalink. So I will go one by one. Let's start with the query string. So click Save Changes. And now let's go SEO and permalink setup. And here the option for SEO configuration. Here you can see the option for use attribute type in permalinks. If you enable this option, you can add prefixes for all the permalinks. You can add prefixes for category, tags, price, rating, brand, author, stock status, sales status, and many more. And you can also add prefixes for the custom fields. So you can change them also. Category for category. So click Save Changes. Now I will show you the real-time result. So let's visit our shop page and reload the page. Now if you filtered with category, see our filtered URL. Here our category prefix is coming with the full form category, as we have added here the prefixes. You can again change it to cata and show you. So let's again visit the shop page. So at first you need to clear the filter. Now if you filter again with the category, see the filter prefix is coming cata. So you can add prefixes for each option. So we have more option. SEO setup, you can enable the SEO option. So from here you can choose the meta tag. So it could be no index, no follow, no index, follow, on index, no follow, index, follow. And here option for make filter link indexable for best SEO. You can enable this option from here. And this option is for SEO title. You can add here the SEO title. You can also add a custom SEO title for your permalinks like this. So you can add SEO title, SEO description, SEO keywords, which helps you to get the best SEO result. Here is more option. If you disable this option, then if you click the Save Changes and visit the shop page and clear the filter. Now if you filter, then no prefixes will appear here. See? But for better SEO result, we need to enable this option. So we have shown you the first option with query string. Now let's go with permalink. In permalink, you will get better SEO result. So I'll show you how it works. Let's click Save Changes. Now let's go to SEO and permalink setup. These all are same. So you can here enable this option or disable. But for better SEO result and search your product as you want, you need to enable this option. Here you can again choose your prefixes as you want, and you can also enable SEO for indexable. You can enable SEO and choose your meta tag, and you can also make filter link indexable and can add SEO title, SEO description, SEO keywords as you want. So I will show you how your link appears in our filtered result. Let's visit our shop page. At first, again clear the filtered URL and reload the page. Now let's filter with category. See our filtered results. It's coming like this. It's category for desktop. If we do more filter for if we filter with tags, see how it's appearing, and it's very good for our SEO. So that's how our Dynamic Ajax product filter helps your site to get the best SEO result.